It's Isaac Hickerson again, Mayfield, Kentucky, Hudson Incorporated. So now we have our 2630 update for our 3000 and 6000 receivers on our thumb drive. We're at our display and we have our 3000 receiver hooked up. Of course, you guys will be out in the field, in your cabs of your equipment with the receiver up on top there. But this is just here in the office, hooked up to our desktop on our display on our desktop here. So you'll take that thumb drive once everything's hooked up and plug it into the side of the USB port over here. Once that's plugged in, you'll wait just a minute. You'll get the normal data transfer window, and then after that, this will pop up. So maybe give it, 10 seconds or so. This should pop up. Once that pops up, you'll hit accept. It will say not started here in just a little bit. It will start that update. This bar right here will start to fill up black, and then once it's done, it'll let you know that it's done. Every now and then you may see, besides just the StarFire 3000, it may want to update your 2630 as well. That's okay to go ahead and do. If it's something like a rate controller, you may not want to do that. But for the most part, majority of the time, you should just get this StarFire 3000 2.8 OS, and now it has started updating the application. This will take roughly 25-30 minutes per receiver to do this update. Occasionally you'll get messages like this. Don't worry about that. You can just accept them, and it's going to take you right back to that window. So this is how you, once you have the update on there, again, just plug it into the side, wait for it to show up that it has a software update available, hit accept. Once it's done, take your thumb drive out and move on to the next one. Thank you.